Wait, don't scroll. This is plantain, but not the regular way you eat it. I turned it into swallow. Just watch this. Hello lovers. If you love trying new food ideas, you are going to enjoy this one. Let's make plantain swallow from scratch. Yes, real swallow, not fried plantain, not boiled, something different. First, I started by peeling the plantain, and honestly, this part took a while, so I had to fast forward that for you. Once that was done, I cut them into small chunks to make blending easier and smoother. Next, I put them into the blender. I added a little water, not too much, just enough to help it blend properly. Then everything was blended until it became smooth paste, not too thick, not too watery. Alright, come with me. Let's turn this into something amazing. So now I poured into the blended plantain into a pan on a low heat. So don't forget, I rinsed the blender with a little water so nothing goes to waste. So family, this is the part where every magic starts happening. You have to keep stirring consistently so it does not stick or form lumps. You continue this process. Can you see that it's slowly changing texture from soft paste to something thicker, smoother, starchy? I turned it to a point until it was looking like this. At this point, I added just a little water and cover it to let it cook properly for a few minutes. This helps it soften and come together perfectly. So guys, most time you want to try something new, something different, and not the regular food, because when you keep on eating regular food, you just find out that one day you are just blank you run out of food idea because you keep on eating one particular food or two type of food in different times. So sometimes you want to eat swallow like eba, fufu, and then you want to make something different like this, plantain swallow, oatmeal swallow, cabbage swallow. And family, did you see that? This is exactly what you want: smooth, stretchy, and well combined. At this point, your plantain swallow is ready. So guys, come with me, let's wrap it. So you want to wrap it immediately you remove it from, you turn off your gas. I wrap it with nylon. This helps shaping it properly. Twist it, mold, and there you go. Perfect swallow form. Now we are done with this. Allow it to cool down for some minutes, and then what next? I unwrap it because it's time to plate it up. So families, I place it nicely on a plate, and of course, what is swallow without good soup? So guys, I poured the okra soup on the plate, rich, delicious, and full of flavor. So you know me, there is no how I can just cook straight without dancing, without dancing on my video. Look at this. Look at this combo. Plantain swallow and okra soup. Tell me this does not look good. So family, if you've watched to this extent, please do well to like. If you come across my video on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, do well to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more detailed video like this. This is the only way you can support me on this journey. For more food ideas like this, bye.